Welcome to our tutorial on managing push notifications in the NewsBreak app. If you're finding certain alerts disruptive or irrelevant, this guide will show you how to customize your notification preferences to suit your needs. Let's get started. First, open the NewsBreak app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the star icon located at the top right. Then, tap on the Settings option, also found at the top right. After that, tap on Notifications to access the notification settings. Here, you'll see various categories of notifications, such as local news, breaking news, recommended reactions, followed reactions, and others. Finally, toggle off any notification categories you no longer wish to receive. By following these steps, you can tailor your NewsBreak app notifications to your preferences, ensuring you only receive the updates that matter most to you. If you need further assistance with other apps or settings, feel free to ask. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.